answer is a cow. A cow moose. The answer is a tiger. A tiger growls. The answer is a pig. A pig oinks. The answer is a penguin. A penguin brays. The answer is a rat. A rat squeaks. The answer is a raven. A raven croaks. The answer is a sea lion. A sea lion barks. The answer is a peacock. A peacock calls. The answer is a wolf. A wolf howls. The answer is a beetle. A beetle squeaks. The answer is a camel. A camel growls. The answer is a cricket. A cricket chirps. Whoa! Great job, animal sound detectives! You guessed so well! Applause for you. That's all for today. See you in my next video, my friend. I'm Gigi Little Laughs.